They've done my gutters, siding, they're gonna do my roof, they're finishing my patio. That was all old and dilapidated, hadn't been updated. This house is 85 years old, and look at it. It's beautiful. They delivered quality workmanship, as you can see. Just the transparency, they're budget friendly, not pushy, didn't try to persuade me to use them, but really just explain to me what they offered and why they offered it and why they were different. The work and the professionalism, the post-work follow-up, they call you after the work is completed. And I do have to give a shout out to Tyler because he is exceptional. He listens when you talk to him, and he doesn't try to tell you what your project should be. He actually encourages you to say, hey, this is what I have in mind. What do you think? I knew that I needed windows replaced, and Tyler came in, we had a conversation, and I said, but I really can only just do like 4 windows now. And he was like, that's what you do. He said, we'll come back and finish the rest, and the guys are here now finishing the rest of the windows. So that's what I mean, like they listen to your ideas and your needs, and I appreciate that very much. And of course I was gonna go with Couto because I'm satisfied. I cannot recommend Couto. I can't recommend them enough.